I'm recording.
Do you see a reach for
Oh
it?
my god, this
So
is
cute.
killing me.
You gotta wait, Jazzy.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god, she's so cute.
Yeah.
Can I help you with this?
Yeah, go over there and help Jessie, Miles. She's loving this.
It launches it.
What a dolly.
Yay!
Yay!
It launches it and makes it fly.
My lips still hurt.
You're hilarious.
Flying saucer.
Where'd it go? Oh, did he just steal it?
Yeah, he just
Miles!
I like to use it as a flying saucer.
No, Miles. You gotta use it in the snap circuits.
I like to use it as a flying saucer too.
Okay. Jessie wants it, Miles. Hmm. Wah,
Here
wah.
it comes.
Oh, yay.
It's like a launcher.
Okay, let go. It doesn't launch till you let go, does it? It's because as it's spinning, the little motor holds the blade down. And as soon as the motor stops, it releases it.
Okay. Do it again, guys.
Whoops, hold on. Gotta wait for the... Okay.
Well, here comes the two good knights. Here comes the two good knights.
Last
One has
time.
a shield and one has a sword.
Woo!